Hello, and welcome to this lecture today on the COVID-19 virus pandemic. Since the virus was first officially identified on the 16th of January 2019 in Wuhan, China, the number of COVID-19 cases has risen sharply worldwide, and hundreds of thousands of new infections are being reported every day. The virus is still ever present in almost every part of the world and mutating and creating other strains. The global spread of COVID-19 is having a devastating effect on human lives and is representing an unprecedented shock for the world's economy. So, COVID-19, short for Coronavirus Disease 2019, is a novel coronavirus, meaning it's a new type of coronavirus that was not previously known or understood by health experts. The important point here is that COVID-19 is the illness caused by the novel coronavirus. The key difference of this virus to other coronaviruses is that it deceives the body in the early stages of infection through tricking the immune system into thinking everything is okay. A basic level description would be our body cells start releasing chemicals called interferons once a virus is detected in the body, and this warns the immune system. But COVID-19 has an amazing capability to switch off this chemical warning system, so you don't even know you are ill. There are no symptoms at first, and often by the time you realize you have the virus, you are fully infected. Moreover, showing no symptoms means the process of passing the virus onto another person is incredibly easy as it's undetectable. Like other viruses, COVID-19 cannot survive without a living cell in which to reproduce. Once it enters human cells, COVID-19 replicates copies of itself, which go on to infect other cells. Sometimes a mistake is made when the virus is replicating. This is called a mutation. Mutations have led to new COVID-19 variants. One example, called B.1.1.7, was first detected in the United Kingdom. Another, called B.1.351, originated in South Africa. Interestingly, both variants share a key mutation called N501Y on the spike protein that allows the virus to bind more tightly to human cells. This mutation is much more contagious than previous COVID variants. Fortunately, they do not appear to be deadlier. COVID-19 spreads mainly from person to person. This can happen between people who are in close contact with one another. A person infected emits aerosols when they talk or breathe. Aerosols are infectious viral particles that can float or drift around in the air for up to 3 hours. Another person can breathe in these aerosols and become infected. COVID-19 can also spread from contact with infected surfaces or objects. For example, a person can contract the virus by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it, and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes. A general rule is to be aware that COVID-19 can survive on hard surfaces from between 3 to 5 days, and on soft surfaces for up to 24 hours. The world after COVID-19 is unlikely to return to the world that it once was, but the human race is incredibly resilient, ingenious, and innovative, and we have shown through the pandemic our ability to evolve, adapt, and transform, and I personally have every faith that we will come out of this crisis with renewed hope and focus for a better, fairer world. Thank you.